Hello, my beautiful soul. So, let's see the energies of your twin flame soulmates. Ayan, so keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaligtad ang sitwasyon. Kaya, kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Oops, let's see the Nine of Cups. Huy! Mga wish fulfillment, ayan, magandang energy ito, panimula, Nine of Cups. Wow! And, uy, Five of Cups, the Emperor, Aries, Knight of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Wow! So now, this person is craving for this union with you, reconciliation. This person is crying, talagang laki ng pagsisisi panghihinayang niya about this connection. Kasi dati talaga hindi naman niya alam pati ang mga connection na yan eh. Hindi pa rin siya aware ng mga panahong yon na itong connection nyo is twin flames, ganun. And we have here Four of Swords, Five of Wands, Queen of Swords, Two of Cups, and the King of Wands. Lakas ng fire natin dito. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Energy. Ayan. And this is, syempre, twin flames, partnership, maring soulmates din sa iba, sa inyo. Ayan. Bottom card is the Queen of Wands. Wow, we have there the King and Queen of Wands. So, divine partnership. So, tingnan natin sa ating messages na archangels. So, ngayon, this person is craving for your attention, for your, tawag dito, yung presence mo. Parang kahit maramdaman lang daw niya yung presensya mo, makita ka niya, or makasalamuha ka niya, masaya na daw siya. Parang ganon. So, tingnan natin, we have here, clear cognizance by Archangel Uriel. Pay attention to thoughts and ideas that come to you as they are answered prayers. Wow! Look at this. 'Di ba? So, pay attention sa mga thoughts, mga ideas na nare-receive mo, maring telepathically or messages na nare-receive mo parang out of the blue, ganyan. Kahit sabihin pa wrong send man yan, maaaring connected yan sa inyong connection. Maaaring may message siya na pinadala at sinabi niya, "Oy, sorry, wrong send," pero sinadya niya yon. Parang ganon. Ayun. So, tingnan natin sa ating signs and symbol cards muna tayo. Ayan. We have here, playing cards. So, tapos na ang paglalaro. Ayan, sweets, snake, si karmic, tapos na. Wow, parang sinasabi, coffee, nilibing na sa limot or tinapos na ang ugnayan niya with this karmic cycle, karmic partner. We have here camera and traffic light. So, ito na. It's the right time, divine timing, ang hinihintay for this connection or naghihintay na lang siya ng right timing to talk to you, kausapin ka, mag-reach out sa'yo. Ayan. And, wow, tingnan mo naman, it's a butterfly, spiritual awakening, change. So, talagang ito na ang tamang panahon na magkakaroon kayo ng union of hearts with this twin flame or inyong twinnie. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Tarot messages, oracle cards tayo. I'm addicted to you. You're my rest and my healer. Kasi na-realize niya, kaya nga gusto niyang maramdaman yung presensya mo. Kasi kahit yung presence mo man lang is talagang very relaxing, very soothing. Ayan. Yung presence mo kasi is talagang para kang kumbaga yun na nakakapagpagaan ng loob niya, nakakapagpagaan ng pakiramdam niya pag mabigat yung pakiramdam niya kasi parang ikaw ang kanyang pahinga. Ikaw ang kanyang healer. Oh, 'di ba? So tingnan natin, ayan crying over you, feeling lost, tired and need rest. Can I call you? I want to grow old with you. It hurts so badly. I want to see you this weekend. O, di ba? So, talagang this person is craving for your energy. Ayun ang hinahanap-hanap niya. Hinahanap-hanap niya yung presensya mo talaga. And I'm working hard for our future. So, tingnan natin sa The Hidden Truth. Oracle cards. I feel you leaving me behind. I'm starting to understand our connection. Look at this. I look for you everywhere, di ba? So, hinahanap-hanap ka niya, hinahanap-hanap niya yung presensya mo, yung energy na yun na talagang they are longing for you. I want to be more than friends. I know I messed up everything. I'm not available. I wish I had treated you better. I'm becoming a better person. Ayan. We both know I'm not the one for you. Yun ang inisip niya. Kaya pinanindigan niya si Karmic. So for some of you kasi parang nasa karmic cycle pa rin sila pero ano na, on the rocks na, parang isang away na lang is maghihiwalay na. Parang gano'n, hindi na talaga maganda ang estado ng kanilang relasyon. Kung in a relationship pa siya with that karmic, no? Tingnan natin. Blue card tayo. We have here separation. Wow! Ito na talaga union of hearts and balance. Okay, so binabalanse pa ang mga bagay-bagay. Tingnan natin to sa general signs and messages natin. Mindanao, Libra, travel. So, kung long distance kayo, ayan. Cold city, this person will travel. Uy, talaga naman twin flames. Patience, please. Soulmate. Smart. Cup is water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. September. Birthmark. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Another Aries. Confusing. Kind-hearted. Number 3. May other country pa, kaya may mga long distance energy. Summer. Very serious. Practical. Caring. November. Eye contact. Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and very loyal. So yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.